Hi everybody, I'm Wayne Davies, and today I'd like to tell you about a course. This course is titled Practitioner's Guide to Cost-Benefit Analysis. So what is this course all about and who is it for? Well, as the title suggests, it's for practitioners. So this is for people that may be starting out in cost-benefit analysis, or maybe you've been doing it for a little while. So you want to know basically as much as you can about it if you want to conduct a good CBA. But this is not just for people conducting CBAs, this is for people that are using the outputs of CBAs. So you might get a cost-benefit analysis report, you might get some values, let's call them net present values, you might get something known as a benefit-cost ratio, or maybe a net benefit investment ratio. This course will tell you what these are all about and how you can actually use them to make decisions. You could also be providing outputs to a CBA. For example, you might be told to collect data. You could be an engineer and you need to get a certain amount of data for a particular CBA. And economists, the people that normally conduct CBAs, typically work fairly close with engineers. So if you're in that area as well. Cost-benefit analysis is not just for people in the public sector, though a lot of this course will be putting that into that context, but it's also for the private sector as well. After all, if you got a big project, it might affect more than just your company and yourself or your customers. It could affect the broader society, and you may have what we call positive externalities or negative externalities. So it's important for the private sector too. And even if you're not doing any of those things, and you can still use cost-benefit analysis in your life. You could be used to help you with personal investment decisions, or possibly even planning various things. You could be planning a birthday party for your kids, and you could use the concepts of CBA to minimize what you're spending, and maximize what you're giving back to your children. So that's why I recommend that you go ahead and try this course.